And we are getting the first pictures of the accused who have been arrested for the vandalism case. BJP targeting the Samajwadi Party, and this is a video that has been tweeted by the BJP as they say that this is hooliganism by SP. In the video, you can clearly see how SP workers are burning the Prime Minister's effigy as being charged by the BJP. I want to cut across to my colleague Sumi, who has more details of the same. Sumi, as we stay with that video, tell us what the BJP is alleging.
Yes, absolutely. A video was going viral on social media where it was seen that the Samajwadi Party workers donning the red cap, they were indulging in an activity that is very controversial. In fact, they were found burning the effigy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi during one of his rallies yesterday. We had seen how Prime Minister Narendra Modi had graced the city of Kanpur and gifted the denizens the first metro. The completion of 32 kilometers of the metro was celebrated and was welcomed by the people of Kanpur. However, the Samajwadi Party workers took the enmity a step further and they were found indulging in burning the effigy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. FIR has been lodged against all of the 7 workers who were found doing that, and in fact 7 of them have also been arrested, and Republic Media Network has accessed the images of 4 perpetrators. In fact, we are showing you the live visuals of the 4 perpetrators who were found doing that. And in fact, Samajwadi Party has also been distancing itself from the entire incident. But we have seen Bharatiya Janata Party coming out and claiming that this was certainly an incident of hooliganism, and Samajwadi Party should change its party name to hooliganism, because not only the effigy was burned, but also the BJP activist's car was also vandalized. So this is certainly Samajwadi Party's the area of expertise in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and they were showcasing a few skills during the rally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday in the state of Uttar Pradesh. That has certainly got them into a lot of trouble.
Absolutely, Sumi, and the UP Deputy Chief Minister had assured action, so did the Kanpur Commissioner. And exactly a day after this has happened, we see 4 arrests of SP workers. That has happened. Gaurav Bhatia is with me on the phone line. Gaurav, your thoughts on what has happened, and action has been taken as was committed.
This is the true face of the Samajwadi Party when they know that they cannot fight the strong nationalistic, patriotic, pro-development ideology of the Bharatiya Janata Party with their chaotic and Gundaism ideology. They resort to violence and they take law in their own hands. But they forget that this is the government led by Yogi Adityanath ji, and any person who tries to break law or tries to show that the person is above law will be punished under law. And thus the message that goes out is very strong, that Samajwadi Party cannot resort to violence. They cannot indulge in ransacking properties, public or private, and this is the outcome. And I think the people of Uttar Pradesh will welcome such a decisive move by the government and the police.
And the nature of such actions ahead of the polls is absolutely shameful, Gaurav, because there has to be a more healthy conduct. But the BJP pressing charges against the SP, and most importantly, the fact that arrests have been made, hopefully we don't see such kind of incidents as the polls are coming closer.
Absolutely, I think you're right, and especially the hatred that opposition political parties have for the tallest leader in the country and the world, Shri Narendra Modi ji, is very apparent. And when they cannot have a fight of ideology with the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are resorting to such means. And before the election, the message that is being sent out, that no matter what, even if we have to indulge in violence, we would stoop to that level to win elections. And people of Uttar Pradesh have rejected this kind of Gundaism of the Samajwadi Party even earlier. But the police is doing a commendable job. We must applaud them. And the Khaki should not be afraid of the Gundas of Samajwadi Party.
All right, Gaurav Bhatia, thank you for speaking to Republic this afternoon. Aparajita Sarangi from the BJP is also with us on the phone line. Aparajita, for arrests of SP workers, but that very, very shameful act of burning the Prime Minister's effigy and vandalism that was displayed by these men. But as promised by the UP Deputy Chief Minister and even the Kanpur Commissioner, arrests have happened.
We are not at all surprised by what the SP workers have done. In fact, their entire rule from 2012 to 2017 has been marked by Gundaism. And they are known for this kind of behavior, and this time they have been fully exposed. See, this is the level that they can stoop to. I think the entire country has got to know this, and I'm sure the people of Uttar Pradesh would give them a befitting reply for this kind of hooliganism, for this kind of behavior in the coming elections.
All right, Aparajita, thank you for speaking to Republic. Let's also play out what Sambit Patra has said on this. But before that, Anurag Badoria is with me on the phone line. Anurag, SP workers arrested for the vandalism.
Hello. Hello.
Anurag, if you can hear me, 4 arrests have been made of SP workers for the vandalism, the hooliganism, such behavior.
हिंदुस्तान संविधान और कानून से चलता है. कानून के ऊपर कोई नहीं है. और जो कानून के साथ खेलेगा उसके साथ इस देश में, हिंदुस्तान में, क्योंकि समाजवादी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरह नहीं है. हम समाजवादी लोग कानून का सम्मान करते हैं और कानून के साथ खिलवाड़ कतई समाजवादी लोग पसंद नहीं करते. ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं है कि कानून के साथ खेलने वालों को गृह राज्य मंत्री बना देती है. हमारे यहाँ जो कानून के साथ खेलेगा उसकी समाजवादी पार्टी में कोई जगह नहीं होगी और कानून को जो अपने हाथ मिलेगा.
पर आप ही के पार्टी के वर्कर्स हैं अनुराग, क्या पार्टी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगी और अपॉलजी इशू करेगी फॉर व्हाट हैज हैपेंड?
मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, आप अपनी बात मत जाइए. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ आपसे कि हिंदुस्तान समाजवादी लोग संविधान और कानून का सम्मान करते हैं. कानून, हम बीजेपी की तरह नहीं है कि कानून हाथ में ले लेंगे या कानून का सम्मान नहीं करेंगे. हम समाजवादी लोग कानून का सम्मान करने वाले लोग हैं. अगर हमारा कोई साथी कानून का सम्मान नहीं करेगा तो समाजवादी पार्टी का हिस्सा नहीं हो सकता होगा. सीधी सी बात है. कोई व्यक्ति अगर हमारा समाजवादी वर्कर या समाजवादी साथी कानून का अगर सम्मान नहीं कर सकता तो समाजवादी नहीं हो सकता.